Find the equivalent capacitance of the combination of capacitors between the points A and B as shown. Also calculate the total charge that flows in the circuit when a 100-volt battery is connected between the points A and B. So given a network, a combination of capacitors, or you can take that as circuit. So we need to find out first the capacitance, all these capacitors, equivalent capacitance. First I will try to figure it out what is the equivalent capacitors. So whenever we try to solve these problems, so try to reduce the circuit. So otherwise if you can take that as, we will follow a method that's known as reduction method. So let us observe carefully how we can make it small, this big circuit. Suppose if you see, so these three capacitors, they are, by observing, so they are in series. So these three are in series. So I will find out the equivalent capacitance of these three capacitors, and I will replace that in the place of three capacitors. Now the total circuit is having 6 capacitor. After that, if I replace that, it will be becomes 4. So that is the easiest one. First we need to find out the equivalent capacitance. Suppose this equivalent capacitance, the equivalent capacitance of series combination, if I take that as 1 over C equal to, in series, that is 1 over C1 plus 1 over C2 plus 1 over C3. So 1 over C equal to 1 over 60, it's microfarad. So 1 over 60 microfarad plus 1 over 60 microfarad. So 1 over C equal to, it's 3 over 60 microfarad. So 3 and 60, 20 times. So if I can write the capacitance, equivalent capacitance C equal to 20 microfarad. Now here I will replace from the circuit, these three capacitance, I will replace it. Now if I remove these three capacitors, now I removed the capacitors. Now I need to connect the equivalent capacitance. Suppose if I can extend that capacitance at here. Now if I can draw, a capacitors between that. Now just we need to add 2 lines, and this capacitance value here I got it, how much it is, it's a 20 microfarad. Now this becomes my new combination. Now I would like to little modify this diagram. Now here we can see the connection from here to here. So this capacitance connected at here. So it's also equal if I connected from there to at here, because it is having the same junction. If you can connect from here or if you connect from there, so that obviously goes to equal. Now if I see this capacitance, now if you can again try to do the reduction, it means to make it small. Suppose if I can take this is the one. If you can take that, these three combination of these three, now these three capacitors are connected in series. Sorry, they are connected in parallel up to here. So these three are connected in parallel. So we will find out the equivalent capacitance of these three. Now to find out the equivalent capacitance, the equivalent capacitance of parallel combination, now since they are in parallel, if you can find out the C equal to, I can write C equal to C1 plus C2 plus C3. The C1 value 10 microfarad and C2 value also 10 microfarad and C3 value is 20 microfarad. The equivalent capacitance C equal to is 40 microfarad is the parallel combination. Now in the place of these three capacitors, now I can easily replace the circuit diagram with the two capacitance. So if this is the two capacitors are connected between A and B, so this is having the capacitance of C equal to 40 microfarad, which is the equivalent capacitance, and the first one is already having the capacitance of 40 microfarad. It is also 40 microfarad. It is present in between two points A and B. Now here you can see how the circuit is reduced from the, I think 6 capacitor to 2 capacitors. Now here our task is free to find out the equivalent capacitance of this combination. Now they both are in series. Now find out the equivalent capacitance. The equivalent capacitance in series combination. So I need to find out the equivalent capacitance of that one. So in series, 1 over C equal to 1 over 40 microfarad plus 1 over 40 microfarad. So if you can get that, do the cross multiplication and you can find it out that. So 1 over C equal to 2 over 40 microfarad. So 2 in 40, 20 times. Therefore C equal to 20 microfarad. That's the end result we need to get the equivalent capacitance of the given circuit. So that if we can write that, so the equivalent capacitance of given circuit, so the total capacitance of this one, the combination of all these capacitors between the points A and B, the equivalent capacitance C equal to 20 microfarad. So that's how to do the reduction. If there is given a combination of capacitance, we have to reduce it, and you try to do as you reduce it, but try to solve from the easy to difficult. Now after this one, what we need to figure it out? We need to figure it out the I think charge. Also calculate the total charge when a potential difference of 100 volt is connected between them. So if a potential difference of 100 volt, so if a potential difference of 100 volt is connected between them, what is the charge? Since we know that charge to potential ratio, capacitance C equal to Q upon V, therefore Q equal to potential, total charge Q equal to CV. So capacitance is given that, therefore Q equal to capacitance is given 20 micro 10 power minus 6 farad times potential V equal to 100 volt. So if we can do that calculation, we can get that. So it is the 2000 times 10 power minus 6 coulomb charge units coulombs, that equal to 2 times 10 power 3 coulombs, 10 power minus 3. So that you can mention that as charge Q equal to 2 millicoulomb. So the total charge, if we connect it to a potential difference of the 100 voltage source, the total charge Q equal to 2 millicoulomb.